happy travelers! We are coming to you today with a very special video. This was filmed when we were on the inaugural sailing of Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas, the largest cruise ship in the world. And what you're about to see is a room tour of an Aqua Theatre suite. Now this is category A1, so these are technically the biggest Aqua Theatre suites because they're located on deck 8, so they have the furthest jut out for their balconies. But it's pretty similar to the other 2-bedroom Aqua Theatre suite like the A2 in style, just again that larger balcony. Now what you're about to see is a little bit different than how we normally do room tours because this is not the room that we stayed in. This was the room that our friends Aaron and Lindsay and their whole family were staying in, and they were kind and generous enough to let us come in and film a quick tour of the rooms that we could show to you so you could see what it was like. Now with that being said, keep in mind that they were obviously using this room. It was in the middle of the cruise, so you're going to see some personal items and things like that throughout the room, but it should still give you a great idea of how the room is laid out and all of the different features that it has to offer. This is a star class room and part of the Royal Suite class programs, so you're going to be getting things like the Royal Genie, your gratuities are included, internet's included, the unlimited dining package, the deluxe beverage package. Lots of great features are included with this class of stateroom. So let's go ahead and get it started. Our quick tour of the Aqua Theatre suite on board Wonder of the Seas. Let's go. So this is category A1, room 8334, all the way at the end of the hall on the port side, all the way in the aft. Right when we enter our room here, we have our light switch and our standard safety information, just like you would have on any cabin door, peephole with cover, deadbolt lock, all of that right there. We turn around here, we have a nice shelf when we come in, put your keys, wallet, things like that down, as well as a mirror. You can access right there. Coming into the rest of the room, we'll turn right here and we'll find our first bedroom. You see it does have the option for the Pullman beds. Pull those down from the ceiling should you need those. And then you do have the Royal King down below, although it can be split into the 2 twins. So you could have 4 beds in this room should you choose to do so. And you do have the vanity area here with the TV recessed inside, cabinets, nice big countertop, chair there, lots of lights and plugs. This is kind of like the standard vanity setup like you would have in another room. So it's almost like you could picture this as like an interior cabin all to itself, and it's part of the Aqua Theatre suite here, the 2-bedroom Aqua Theatre suite. So let's head forward here. On our left, we will find a bathroom. And again, this is like the standard setup bathroom, very similar to the one we have in our boardwalk balcony. So you have the new shower doors on there, nice big rounded glass, adjustable shower head, all that stuff. But you are getting the upgraded amenities. So the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash mounted in the shower there because this is a suite with star class. So you're gonna get those amenities. Not just for Star Class, but being in a suite in general. Lots more features and amenities coming with Star Class. So again, standard vanity. So it's almost like if you take this bathroom and you take that bedroom, you would have kind of a cabin, right? Like an interior almost, with those two put together. I did want to point out there's a nice size window there as well. We'll get to the outside in just a little bit. You do have a table when you come in, some nice art as well. And now we proceed forward, we'll find the master bedroom. So this is an actual true king, I've been told. This one does not split. This is like an actual king mattress, upgraded mattress because you're in the suite. Do like the light fixtures on either side. Looks like you have a nightstand on both sides with a pull-out drawer, plugs on both sides, standard outlets and USBs available for both, which is really nice feature. Do have a balcony door here in the master bedroom, so you can head out to the balcony from this point should you choose to do so. And then we have another vanity area similar to the one we just saw in the other bedroom, just a little bit smaller, but you do have USB plug, standard plug, European plug, all available right there, as well as a mirror with lights on either side, and you do have the cabinet doors on either side, drawers down below. Here we have our TV mounted, pointed right at the bed. It's actually a very nice setup. Got a shelf up top and a small shelf down below, and actually a European plug there, which is kind of interesting. Some cabinets down below for additional storage space. Speaking of storage space, this master bedroom has a massive closet area, as you can see there, so lots and lots of storage to be had. There's also, it looks like, a thermostat, I believe. Yes, ooh, that's a nice upgraded thermostat. You can also control blinds, do entertainment. They have mood lighting in here. Very nice feature to have there. And then this door goes into the bathroom. So here we go, the master bathroom. Have the toilet and the small vanity there, but it's actually nice. I like the center positioning of the sink and the backsplash that we've been seeing in other rooms like ours. And then you have this nice shower, pretty open. You just got the glass panel there. It is a tub shower combo. So that's a nice feature if you have kids or if you're just looking to take a relaxing bath. And of course you do have the upgraded bath amenities in here as well. So just left of the master bedroom entrance, we will find the living room. Look at all of this glorious natural light coming through because you do have floor to ceiling windows over here, floor to ceiling windows along the back, your door to get outside. We're gonna get to the balcony in just a little bit, but let's come into the space. So we see we have a dining set here, 4 top, nice table and chairs. And there's even some closet in the living room. So you can see all the storage space that's available there in the living area. You do have the entertainment center here with a large screen, TV screen mounted up there, storage down below, storage on the side. They'll get all your drinks, everything you could want because this is a star class suite. So you're going to have Voom internet included, surf and stream. You're going to have gratuities included. You're going to have the deluxe beverage package included for anyone who can drink alcohol, refreshment package for anyone under 21, and then you're going to have the unlimited dining package as well for specialty dining. See, they have the nice coffee espresso machine there, phone over on the countertop tucked up in there. Do have some nice end tables with lamps. Got the ice bucket there to keep your drinks cold. Nice size couch there right in the middle, and then you do have these 2 comfortable chairs you can relax in as well. Little small glass coffee table in the middle. I like the plan too. Why not, right? Keep it nice in here. Good color scheme going with the blues and the whites, the lighter color woods. Nice artwork. Gives it a real nice feeling. But all this natural light coming in from the balcony, from these beautiful floor to ceiling windows, is really what makes this room special. And the next level of that special part is right through these doors out to the balcony. What I wanted to point out is that there is a child lock up here, so you can flip that and they will not be able to open the balcony door using the standard handle. So that will stay locked regardless, but you can flip that open, flip the handle, open the balcony door and head out. So let's go take a look at it because this is the real feature of this room. All right, so right when we come out of the door, we will see another dining set here, this time a 6 top, much larger than the one inside. You can have a dining in your room here on the balcony. Your Genie can provide that for you. That's right, a Royal Genie. It's your own private butler. They will take care of you to the max. Anything you can wish for, they can come up with. That is part of your star class service here in the 2-bedroom Aqua Theatre suite. You also have the 2 sun loungers. They can recline, so you can adjust those and they can go back. Nice little table there in the middle and some more plants, because why not, right? We'll get to that beautiful view over on that side in just a second. Let's come back over here though, because I want to show you this balcony wraps all the way around. Remember in the master bedroom when we mentioned the door that comes out to the balcony, that's right there. So here we are on the port side of the ship. We're in beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico today. So you're going to get those uninhibited views of the ocean. So you can either have port side if you're on this side or a starboard side if you're on the other one. And then you're going to have the views around to the back as well. But it's really nice because you can come out here. You do have these 2 comfortable chairs with ottomans. Nice table there in the middle. Have coffee in the morning, drinks at night, whatever you would prefer. It's going to give you a little bit of separation and privacy from the rest of your party if you're staying in the master bedroom. But this is where the party's really happening, out here where everyone's going to be with the dining table, with the sun loungers. And then if you come around to the side here, yeah, that's right, the balcony keeps going. We do have these nice chairs, pillows, cushions right here at this bar rail style seating. Some more plants over there. And then check this out, the view. First of all, you have a rock climbing wall right there in front of you with the astronaut statue up above. And then you can see up top the jellyfish that are painted, because that is the mural that the Ultimate Abyss slide goes right under. You can see the beginning of the Ultimate Abyss slide all the way up there at the top, and then sliding down 10 stories, all of its glory. You can head over and see, you can look over into the boardwalk. Johnny Rocket's right over there, the Lucky Climber, all that fun stuff. And then This is why it is called an Aqua Theatre suite, because you have these amazing views directly down into the Aqua Theatre. When the show's going on, you are gonna have the best seats in the house without being in the house. You're gonna be on your own balcony, relaxing. You can see the Jumbotrons on either side here, and especially cool here on Wonder of the Seas is this newly redesigned back with the glass paneling at night. They light it up all sorts of different colors. It looks absolutely stunning. It is quite gorgeous. And so yeah, you can just sit here, enjoy the Aqua Theatre show from the privacy and peacefulness of your own balcony. You can have food, you can have drinks here at the bar, have your genie bring you stuff. If you want to dine in and watch the show, that's an option too. Lots of good stuff to be had here from the Aqua Theatre suite. And you can actually see on the other side, this will give us a good example. Those are all Aqua Theatre suites too. This one here is like the one we're touring right now, the A1. It's the lower one, so it has the biggest balcony. The largest balcony spaces. The other ones are lower category, so this one is priced at a little bit higher than those other ones are, but you are getting a lot more space. So there you have it. That is the 2-bedroom Aqua Theatre suite here on Wonder of the Seas. So there you have it. That is our tour of the Aqua Theatre suite on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. That is the 2-bedroom Aqua Theatre suite, again category A1 for your reference there on deck 8. And if you're interested in staying in that Aqua Theatre suite or another great suite that's part of the Royal Suite program with Royal Caribbean, we can help make that happen. As travel agents, it would be our pleasure. It's completely free and complimentary to you to use our services, so feel free to reach out via that travel agent information you can find in the description of this video. If you've recently booked a Royal Caribbean cruise within the past 30 days, you can transfer your booking to our agency free of charge as long as you have not paid in full, so please feel free to reach out about that as well. Want to thank you for joining us for today's video. If you're interested in more Wonder of the Seas content, be sure to check out our Wonder of the Seas playlist on our YouTube channel. You'll find lots of daily vlogs, the tour of our room, which was a boardwalk balcony, and the full and complete ship tour that showed you every public space on board that massive, massive ship. But for today, we're going to sign off. We'll see you next time. Happy travels!